Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt idler pulley. This is a pulley that doesn't turn any accessories. It's just a pulley that kind of holds the Serpentine belt in its routing position. Pretty easy. The two tools you'll need a 15mm socket with a ratchet handle, and then you'll also need a T50 Torx driver socket with the same ratchet handle.
Okay, this truck has the 5-liter V8 engine in it, and obviously your Serpentine belt's right here. The first thing you want to do though is you want to make sure that your belt diagram, okay, right here is intact. That's going to be a big help when you're putting the belt back on. It actually kind of gives you a little diagram of how to do it. You'll need a 15mm socket on a ratchet. Okay, and you take the socket and ratchet, put it right down here. Okay, put it right down on here on your tensioner bolt. Okay, and then you pull this counterclockwise. Okay, and you can see that the belt loosens up when I do that. Okay, so I pull the wrench that way, and then you just slip it right off of this tensioner or this biler pulley here, and then slowly let your wrench back. Okay, take it off, and then just pull the belt off. Pull it right up, and you have to reach down, pull it off the crank pulley, and the belt comes right up and out. Okay, once you have the belt off, then you can kind of grab on the pulleys. You shouldn't feel any play, and they should rotate smoothly. This one actually has a lot of catching in it, so we'll replace it for you. Okay, you'll need a T50 Torx driver, and just put that right into the bolt. Make sure it's in there well. And once you get the bolt going, there's our original, new one from 1AAuto, exactly the same. Yeah, original is just sticking my finger in there and it's all bound up. This one obviously works very nice, works well. So I'll put the bolt in and just put it right on. Tight. To put the belt back on, what you're going to do is take a loop and feed it down and get it on this crankshaft pulley first. Okay, then up around this air pump, and you're going to kind of flop it over down here to the power steering pump, up to the AC, and then across. We'll put it on the alternator and keep it off the idler pulley first. Okay, new belt from 1AAuto. Like I said, we'll put it down. I'm going to reach down on the other side of the motor and pull a loop down onto the crankshaft pulley. Okay. Pull some of the slack out. Okay. And then we'll take a loop and go down to the power steering pulley way over here on the other side. Okay, bring it up onto the AC pulley. Okay, bring this up. Actually, it comes down. It goes down around. It comes up from the crankshaft pulley to the air pulley and then it goes around the tensioner and then around the alternator. This belt's a little bit tighter, so what I'm going to do is put it around the alternator first. What I'm actually going to do is just put the socket, I've got the belt around the socket here. Okay, take some tension off with this wrench. First I'll get it right on the tensioner pulley. Okay, so now it's actually on the tensioner pulley. So it's on everything correctly. It's on the AC, it's on the power steering, here on the water pump, way down underneath the crank and everything. So now I can pull the tensioner back, and then take it and push it underneath this idler pulley. Okay, and let the tensioner off, and it's all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.